Many people don't actually know how powerful VLC is. Today I will be showing you how to use VLC as a video recorder or a webcam recorder. After you've double click your VLC extension application, the first thing is to go to the media panel and select open capture device, or you can access it easily by using the Ctrl+C on your keyboard. Then you need to change the capture mode to desktop or direct show in case of webcam recording, but for now I'm doing the screen recording, so you choose desktop and specify the desired frame rate, minimum of 30. You now need to click on the drop down button beside the play here and select convert. After then, you select the profile, which I'll be using MP4 H.264 recorder. You browse the destination file you intend your record to be saved, so you click browse. You can even give it a name, screen record. I'm saving on my desktop or in my video and click save. Then you click on start. The recording operation has started, so let's just open our Chrome to start to record it, or any of our videos open with. Or you can even use VLC.
Today we're going to see how you can move WordPress from your local computer to a live web.
The video will be automatically saved in the destination folder. To access the video, just browse to the destination folder under my video, and here is the screen record. So this is how we do use VLC media player as a video recorder. If you find this video useful, please give it a like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.